here.
Just seeing the grandson back. Oh, his blood sugar's good, 78.
78.
Yeah, that's good. Let me go get a thermometer. Can you hold that blanket?
Okay.
He's got his arm in there.
This is how big you are. Hello there.
He's pretty long, don't he? He just looked longer.
What is his length again?
Huh?
It's like
20 and a half.
20 and a half.
20 and a half.
20 and a half and 72.2.
You measure from heel to where? To the like
The top of the head.
top of the head?
Yeah.
Baby's looking good?
Baby looks good. Yeah, his blood sugar was 78. I just took it. He's very calm. Okay.
All right.
Say hi to
Good
doctor.
boy. Thank you. Have a good one.
Yes, sir.
Thanks.
That's what he's long fingers.
Okay, let's see. So that was the neonatologist. Yeah. Oh, I'm not fast enough. Good.
So the O2 set was
I
okay.
think we're good. His breathing looks good and his color's better. They'll hook him up actually when I take him over to the nursery. But I really don't think that's going to be an issue. He's awfully cute.
Check this out.
Oh yeah. You want him?
I don't know if she was gonna, are you gonna try to put a boob in his mouth or?
Yeah.
Hold on.
Not yet. If you want to try to feed him, I can take him.